What's up guys, 4-point spray with another video. Little 4-8 gonna get some work done today. Nothing much, just a little catch can. Let's see how we installed it. Got this catch can off of Amazon. 30 bucks. We're gonna find a little mounting spot. I think I already got the perfect spot. I found this brown cable right here. I don't know what size. I think it's a 10mm bolt. I'm gonna find a little bolt. Put it behind here. I bent that a little bit out because if I put it like if it was at a straight, it would look awkward. So I put a little angle so it look a little better. So I'm gonna drill this out with a little Dremel and then see how it goes. But yeah, then I gotta run the hoses to a part over there behind the head. Take this cap off over there. This is all what the kit comes with. Hoses, hardware, little filter. For 30 bucks. We'll see how it works. Then again, I'm spraying nitrous sometimes. After using the Dremel tool about 3 minutes, we finally got it to fit that bolt over there. That ground bolt in the engine bay. That's all we had in hand right now. We had a little Dremel tool. Use that. We use this I think this hex bit. Burn it out a little bit so it can fit perfect. We're gonna check fitment. Take off that cap. Run the hoses. Make sure everything's right. That hose right there, we're not gonna keep it for a long time. We're gonna probably get rid of it as soon as we can. We're gonna put some black hose. It's gonna look a little awkward, even though the fucking purge lines are bright blue. But shout out to my boy Chango. This is his little truck right here, little V6. Big things coming soon. You want to show him or not? You don't want to show him yet, or want me to keep it a secret? All right. Just know something's coming soon. More videos on this for sure. It's my other little brother. Little thing is a 2001. Some 22s. It's a V6. They're both V6s, but this one for sure. It's gonna be out here. Fast guy coming soon. This one we'll get a swap in soon. We'll swap this one out later. Spray it. You know how we do. But yeah, we're gonna check fitment. We'll get right back to y'all. Take off that cap. I'll probably hit this with a spray can if I got one. If not, fuck it. It's aluminum. It won't rust. Or that's another thing. This is aluminum. Metals are super soft, but it's all right with that. We didn't have a visor or anything fancy, but we're gonna make sure it fits and is well seated. Then if it no play or nothing, we're gonna put the hoses on, turn around, see what happens. Ain't nothing gonna happen, but I'll get back to you. In the garage, put it on there, nice and snug. Got easy access, so you just pull it out. Easy to get. Dump it out. We do oil change or whatever. You feel like dumping it out. Just put that back. It's empty, so there's nothing to look at. Came with a little dipstick. That's pretty cool. Now we're gonna pull that plastic cap off so we can get to the little nipple right there. Put one side of the hose, and then back there. Maybe y'all can see that. Got one side connected already. This is the outside. Goes to the intake. This foam stuff I got off of this tube that was connected like that. Back there to the head and to the top of the intake. This was covered in that foam thing. Now all I gotta do is, this was connected to that plastic, this little nipple with the little, I guess, baffle to reducer or whatever. I drilled out a little bit. Seen a lot of people doing that. So I'm gonna put this back on the head. Hose clamp this back to the catch can. I think that's about it. Put the plastics back on, the intake, and I think that's it. And then maybe start her a little bit. Yeah, that's a finished product, guys. Don't look as bad as I thought. Looks pretty good. Just gotta get rid of that hose. Maybe a good hour and a half to get the job done. If you have the right tools, it'll probably be faster. Another thing is, be careful with that fuel pressure regulator. That little hose that come off of it. When I was pulling out the hose from under there, I snapped it. The good thing is that I snapped it right at the tip, so all I had to do is put a hose clamp on it. So that's good. And back there, that's where it goes to the valve cover. Goes up around, then goes out into the intake. Yeah, looks pretty good. I'm gonna start her up. Probably gonna knock. It's been sitting for a long time, so all the oil's in the bottom. It's been sitting for about a week, nice and cold. Update, maybe pull it out and see if we get some oil, maybe in about 2,000 miles. Might do an oil change on it right now. But yeah, let me know what y'all want to do next. I got a trans cooler sitting back here somewhere in the truck. Put a trans temp gauge on it. Trans is built. Then see what else I do, but this is probably gonna be some more videos on this. Just getting a little swap, getting rid of the 4.3. This, a little bit, I think he wants to spray on it. Spray a little V6 so it blows up. Maybe 5.3 swap it. Who knows? Yeah. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. Maybe a full video of the mods, a whole list or whatever. Everything that's done to it, to the drop, whatever. Thanks for watching.